Hi everyone, today we're in Module 3, Level E. We're on Lesson 15, so turn to page 59 to follow along and take notes. Solving two-step problems using multiplication and division. Here's a little review to get started. 16 times 3. Well, let's do this the traditional way. We'll write it down, 16 times 3. We start here, we do 3 times 6, we get 18. Put the 8 there, carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4, so 48. And then 55 divided by 5. Well, if we count by 5s, we can see how many times it goes into 55. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So it goes in there 5, 10, 11 times. Number 3 says, cheese pizzas sell for $6 each. A pizza shop sold twice as many cheese pizzas today as it sold yesterday. It sold 15 cheese pizzas yesterday. How much money did the shop make from selling cheese pizzas today? So find money earned is what they need to find, is what we need to find solving this problem with an R. How? We're going to multiply. We need to solve. They sold $6 for a piece, but they sold 15 pizzas yesterday, but twice as many today. So 15 times 2 is 30 pizzas. Well, 30 pizzas times $6 each. If we write it like this over here, 6 times 0 is 0, 6 times 3 is 18, so 180. They made $180 today. And yes, because we solved that. Okay, this says a bakery made 30 muffins. Muffins are put into packages of 4. How many packages of muffins will the bakery have? Will there be any muffins left over? So we need to find the number of muffins per package. And then it says and how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to have to divide it up. Okay, so we're going to use division. So here it says we're going to solve, and they are using one of those strip diagrams. So 30 divided by 4 equals. So it looks like the green is the 30, but remember there's only 4 muffins per package. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, but we have 30, so there are 2 left over. So we would say, 30 divided by 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packages, and there's a remainder of 2. So there are 7 packages of muffins and 2 left over. Is this answer reasonable? Yes, because we used division. Okay, next one. This says the 4th grade students are going on a trip to the History Museum. There are 5 classes going. With 25 students in each class, each school bus holds 45 students. How many buses are needed for the trip? So we need to find number of buses. How we're going to do that? We need to multiply and divide. We need to do 2 things. So the number of students, there are 5 classes going and 25 students each. So we're going to do 25 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. So there are 125 students. Then we're going to take 125 and we're going to divide by 45 to figure out how many buses we need. Well, let's count by 45s. We can do 45 plus 45 equals 10, carry the 1, 90. And then 90 plus 45 equals 5. 9 plus 4 is 135. Ooh, that's too many. So we're going to need, so right now we have 1, 2, 3 buses, okay, and that will get 104, that will be 135 students at least, and there are only 125. So we would have 3 buses. So we know that we need at least 3 buses for the trip, because 3 buses holds 135 students, because we did 45 plus 45 plus 45, and we know that that's 3 buses, and that is enough. If we only had 2 buses, that would only be 90 students, but we need 125 students, so that's why we needed 1 more bus. Okay, solving a 2-step multiplication or division problem. There are 15 beads in a small bag of beads. A large bag of beads has 3 times as many beads as there are in the small bag. Nancy bought 5 large bags of beads. How many beads did she buy? We need to find the total number of beads Nancy bought. How? First, we'll multiply to find the number of beads in a large bag, then multiply to find the total number of beads. Solve. So 15 times 3 equals 45 beads in a large bag. And then she bought 5 large bags, so 45 times 5 equals 225 total beads. So Nancy bought 225 beads. Is the answer reasonable? Yes, the number of beads Nancy bought, 225, is greater than 15, the number of beads in a small bag. All right, so on your own, you're going to complete page 61. Make sure to show your work and write down anything that you need. Ask your teacher for help. Good luck.